Meaning of Eurythmics.
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 Eurythmics. Eurythmics is a British music duo formed in the 1980s, consisting of Annie Lennox and Dave Stewart. The name Eurythmics comes from the word eurythmic, meaning harmonious or rhythmically pleasing movement in dance. Lennox's unique and powerful voice combined with Stewart's innovative use of synthesizers and technology helped to create their distinctive sound. Eurythmics produced a series of hits during the 80s and early 90s, including Sweet Dreams, Are Made of This, Here Comes the Rain Again, and Would I Lie to You?